Snails reproduce through sexual fertilization, which involves sperm from one snail entering another snail's body to fertilize its eggs. After fertilization, the female snail lays jelly-like eggs in a variety of locations, depending on the species. The eggs typically hatch within 2 to 4 weeks. Land snail eggs usually result from sexual reproduction, in which genetic material from 2 individuals is combined. The genetic material in eggs and sperm are brought together by internal fertilization, which involves copulation, though it is much different from that in mammals.